Hi guys! I think, what if the modern German army had a mouse tank in service today? What would it look like? Yeah, I found this idea on Reddit about a month ago. I saw this post and immediately in my head, I want to do this. I took my model of mouse tank, video you can find on my channel. Model still is in very good condition and I will upgrade it to modern standards. Firstly, I dismantled some external parts, lights, hatches and sides. Let's start our upgrade with the weapons. 128mm main gun I replaced it with Rheinmetall the RH-130 future gun system, 130mm smooth barrel tank gun. On a gun I made a thermal sleeve and a muzzle reference system. Additional weapon, in original it was 75mm gun, I replaced with Bofors 57mm automatic gun L70, which has ability to use programmable ammunition. What about armor protection? Frontal armor of the turret I upgraded with additional armored module with a composite armor, like on MBT Leopard 2, modifications A5, A6, A7. It will protect our mouse from modern high explosive anti-tank shells. To protect the side armor of the turret, I made boxes of the reactive armor. Made baskets for the crew's personal belongings and placed them to the rear of the turret, and also they provide additional protection for the turret at the rear. Two groups of 6 Wingman 76mm smoke motors are mounted on the either side of the turret and can be electrical fired either as single rounds or in salvos of 6. Made additional armor to increase roof protection and to prevent hit by drones, very relevant nowadays. Press cuts around the hatches, made a commander's cupola and a loader's cupola to improve visibility for the crew. Now let's install our upgrades on the turret. New frontal armor, additional roof armor, smoke grenade launchers, side reactive armor, new cupolas for commander and loader, plate with blowout panels above ammunition, and basket for various stuff. Now let's upgrade chassis of our mouse tank. Of course, we increase side protection using boxes of reactive armor. I decide add side armor skirts to protect the road wheels and rollers. Like in case with the turret, frontal armor of the hull I improved with additional plate of composite armor. The lower armor plate of the hull I equipped it with reactive armor and attached Hoven loops to it. Of course, our tank needs new LED headlights. Making anti-cumulative grills to cover with it rear part of the hull. To supply the tank with energy while it is in ambush, I added an external generator. So it was last upgrade for my mouse chassis. One of the most important parts of the modern tank is electronic equipment, fire control system with the modern sights. Now I'm installing new sights for commander and gunner, of course with thermal imagers. Remotely controlled machine gun mount from which the crew can fire while sitting at its place and protected by the main armor. And place sensor of the weather condition, laser warning receiver and new antenna. So guys, my mouse tank from different universe is finished. This is my vision of how this tank would look in modern army at the present time. Maybe you can tell me what else you would like to see in this upgrade program. And would you like to see more videos like this? And now, thanks for watching friends, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends, and see you at the next video.